In this video, we're breaking down the most common pricing questions you've got when planning a home project and how to get your budget right without stress. Alright, so first things first, when you're trying to figure out pricing for any home project, you gotta start by getting clear on what exactly you want done, like details matter big time. Don't just throw out a vague budget, get quotes from multiple contractors to see what's reasonable. Always ask for a detailed breakdown. Materials, labor, any permits, so you're not hit with surprise costs later. Remember, cheapest isn't always best. Sometimes paying a bit more buys you better quality and less hassle down the road. If you're working with a tight budget, be upfront about that and ask if there are ways to tweak the project scope or materials to save cash. Don't forget to factor in hidden costs like cleanup or disposal fees. Those can sneak up on you. Also, timing affects pricing. Rushing a job usually costs more, so plan ahead if you can. And finally, get everything in writing. Contracts protect both you and the contractor and keep things clear. One of the biggest pricing mistakes people make is not comparing enough quotes. They just pick the first number they get, which can lead to overpaying or lowball offers that aren't realistic. Another common issue is ignoring the fine print on contracts or change orders. Always read carefully so you know what could add to your bill later. Lastly, underestimating the impact of project changes midway is a classic trap. If you switch up materials or add work after starting, expect the price to go up and talk that through before moving forward. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot if you want to skip the headache of hunting down good contractors. It's all about connecting homeowners with trusted pros nearby who can handle your project without any drama. For contractors, it's a sweet way to find new gigs and build up their client list without spending hours on marketing or cold calls.